Hey YouTube! I'm here to talk to you about someone special. And that someone special is Miss Alyssa Michelle D. She's pretty freaking awesome. She's very tall and skinny. She has a mouth that goes like this. You suck, bitch. I'm kind of addicted to Doctor Who. I think he's totally gorgeous, and I would want to fuck him one day. Sorry, Chris, but Doctor Who is fucking hot. Chris is my boyfriend. And I love him. I love him so much. He has a cute butt. I think reading is very sexy. I'm so white, I look like fucking Casper the Friendly Ghost. I'm sexy. My name's Alyssa and I suck at math. I like to bitch people out when they're being annoying. Alyssa D doesn't really sound like this, but I like making fun of her, so that's how I'm making her sound.